Right, we have selected these numbers 2, 3 and 7, 5. Why we have selected these numbers is because you cross 2 into 5, it will be 10. You cross 7 into 3, it will be 21. Right? That is, you factorize the coefficient of x square, you factorize the constant term, then a combination of two numbers of the x square coefficient and two numbers of the constant term is taken, so that their cross, if formed, that is if 21 is 10 is formed, if you are able to bring these two numbers into the central number, that is by adding or subtracting, if you are making it to the central number, then this is your combination of four numbers, right? So this is the correct combination. And which is the wrong combination? That is, think in the same combination if you are taking 2, 3 and you are doing 5, 7, right? So 7 into 2 is 14, 5 into 3 is 15, and 15 and 14 will never make it to 31. That is 15 minus 14 is 1, and 15 plus 14 is 29. So this is not going to be 31, right? So this combination is wrong. Take another combination like 6, 1 and 7, 5, 30 and 7. So this is not going to be correct. 30 plus 7 is 37 and 30 minus 7 is 23. So all this way you can take the crisscross combination. So I am coming back to our first combination, that is 2, 3 and 5, 7. So it will be 10, it will be 21, and added combined will be 31, right? So this is the combination. Now the other thing, that is, you have formed the crisscross method. Now to get the quadratic equation root, see here you have this thing, that is the second part that is being formed by factorizing the constant term divided by, that is, this will be the numerator and this will be the denominator, 7 by 2, and 5 and 3, that will be 5 by 3. These two are the roots, right? Now just be clear, I have told you, you are not considering the sign right now, you are just considering the magnitude. So in this case 7 by 2 will be 3.5, this will be approximately 1.666. So this is a bigger root and this is a smaller root, right? As it is plus and plus, so we know the root should be minus and minus. So in this case you don't have to put the signs. But if it was something like this, it is plus and minus. So big will be what? Plus, and small will be minus. In that case you should have been putting like plus and minus. But as this is the case, so it will be plus and plus. 7 by 2 and 5 by 3 are the roots of this equation. So this is the way to do. Only this has to be done. Okay. Let us take some other equation. 4y square plus 28y plus 45 equal to 0. Right. So this can be factorized into 2, 4, 4, 4, 1. This can be factorized into 9, 5, 15, 3 and 45, 1. The combination should make what? 28. So let's take 4, 1. 3, 15 will be what? 4, 3, no, it's not going to make that. 4, 1, 3, 15 is not going to make that. 5, 9 is not going to, 5, 9, no, it's not going to make that. 36, 5, 9, not so on. So then it's 2, 2, 2, 2, so 9, 5, yes, it's a combination. 5 into 2 is 10, 9 into 2 is 18, that's it. You got the answer. Then the answer is 9 by 2 and 5 by 2, right? It's plus and plus, so this will be minus and minus, right? I think I wrote plus and plus in the former case. Please correct it. It will be minus and minus in that former case. In the former case we formed two roots, 7 by 2 and what? 5 by 3, and it was plus and plus. I wrote plus and plus. please correct it, it will be minus and minus, right? So this is the way to do, okay, right. Now let me tell you a stuck part in this case. That is, there will be a particular question or somewhere where you will get two possible answers, like a question like x square minus 10x plus 24 equal to 0, right? So there is 1 1, there is 12 2 6 4 24 1 8 3, all those things are there. See, it's 1 1 12 2, it's 12 2 into 2 1 is 2, 2 into 1 into 12 is 12. This is going to come as 10 can be brought down. Another way, 1 1 6 4 4 and 6, so 10 can be brought. So that's it, clash. So which option to be taken? In that case, if this is the case, there will be two roots, 12 and 2. As it's minus and plus, the answers will be plus and plus, right? If this is the case, then there will be two answers, plus 6 and plus 4, right? Then which answer to be taken? In this type of question where you get stuck, take the lowest answers of both the equations, both the possible sets. In this it's plus 2 and this minus plus 4. Then put this into this, put it in the equation. Take 4, 4 square is 16, minus 10 to 4 is minus 40, plus 24 plus 16 is 40, 40 minus 40 is 0, so this is correct, 4 is correct. Now take 2, check, 2 square is what, 4, minus 10 into 2 is what, 20, plus what, 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, minus 20 is not equal to 0, so this is the wrong set and this is the correct set, right? So in this way, whenever you get stuck with this method, this is to be followed. Take the lowest root, put it in the equation, and if the equation is satisfied, then that is the possible set, and if the equation is not satisfied, that is not the correct set.